Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. It is Bargain Bead Box Day. This month is Violet Glade. Your beads, inspired by the iridescence of gossamer wings and deep purple of early spring violets, this month's package features a medley of amethyst, fluorite, crackle agate, and Malaysia jade quartz. Focal points include an amethyst teardrop pendant, a pair of faceted amethyst drops, and a stainless steel dragonfly with stardust wings. Sparkling crystals and a collection of high quality findings complete the set. Bargain Bead Box also has a sister store, Bead Box Bargains, where you can get a 30% off coupon if you subscribe to Bargain Bead Box every month. And if you want to subscribe and save $2 off your first box, you can use coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link in my description of this video. So number one is a 7.5 inch strand of 3mm finely faceted rainbow fluorite round beads. These are really cute. A little pale for fluorite, but they're really pretty. I do like fluorite. I don't use it that much, and I have some, but I don't use it that much just because I don't think about it. And I like how tiny these are, but I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with such tiny beads. They're so cute though. Number two, approximately 7 inch strand of 10mm amethyst round beads. Those are nice. Very dark purple. I don't know if that means that they're dyed or not, but I think they're really pretty. Number three is a 12 inch strand of 2.5 by 1.5 crystal rondelle beads, rainbow iris. Oh my gosh, these are just as tiny, or if not tinier, than those fluorite beads. These are cute. I like these. They're teeny tiny. It's good for making a necklace, like using them as a spacer to make it look like it's knotted. Number four, 24-piece strand, 8.5 by 4mm crystal drop beads, jet rainbow iris. They're pretty. I like that jet rainbow iris. They're certainly flashy. Number five, a 15 inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal rondelle beads, violet mix. Oh, that's pretty. It's a nice mix of different purples. Pretty long too. Number six, a 2-piece 13.5mm by 20mm stainless steel laser cut dragonfly charms. Cute. I wonder if they're moving more towards the stainless steel than the silver plated charms, probably because they don't tarnish as much, but I don't know. I just know in the last couple boxes we've got some of those. Number seven is a 23 by 31mm stainless steel and rhinestone dragonfly pendant. Oh my goodness, that rhinestone is teeny tiny, but I do like the diamond dust wings. That's very interesting. I haven't seen that before. And it goes like this. Cute. Number eight, 16 by 12mm platinum plated brass dragonfly toggle clasp. Oh, that's interesting. Very pretty. Very dainty. I like that. You know, I like a toggle. Number nine is eye pins. Number 10, 6-piece 17 by 17.5mm round dragonfly charms, lead nickel cadmium free. Those are cute. I like those. Those look, I mean, they're not the quality of tiara cast, but it looks like they would coordinate pretty well with tiara cast, just the way it looks. It's very cute. Number 11 is a 14 inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal faceted rice beads, teal AB. Oh, that's fun. Close to the bicone shape, but not the bicone shape. I like that color. I like the faceting. That's really pretty. They are teal, but they also could be considered maybe like a tealy emerald. Like they're teal green, not teal blue, if that makes sense. Number 12, 2-piece 21 by 13.5mm faceted amethyst and brass teardrop pendants. Oh, okay. They're not matched very well, so I don't think I would use these as earrings because this one's like super purple compared to this one that's more murky and brown. but they would be cute on like a bracelet too, or a very dainty necklace. 13, 10 pieces, 10 by 15 millimeter Dragonfly spacer beads. Cute. Oh, they're little chubby dragonflies. I love them. Those are adorable. They make me happy. Those would be really cute painted. Number 14, 42 by 21 millimeter amethyst and brass teardrop with swirl pendant. That's really cute. I like that. And it's pretty. Like the stone itself is really pretty. Back is cute too. This is nice. Number 15, 13-inch strand of 8 millimeter frosted crackle agate round beads, dyed and heated. I like these. I love that they're matte. That purple is awesome. It's a great hue. It's almost exactly the same hue as the bag. Oh, that is so cool. And I love that they're cracked. Yummy. I think that's probably my favorite thing so far. Number 16, a 10-gram bag of 6.5 millimeter 5-petal bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are teeny tiny. Cute though. Those are very cute. And they give you quite a bit of them. My goodness. They weigh next to nothing. Those are nice. Number 17, a 14-inch strand of 8 millimeter faceted round Malaysia, and then jade is in quotation marks, beads. This is dyed quartz. Nice purple though. It's okay. I like dyed beads are fine as long as the dye doesn't come off on you. So, not seeing any right away. Sometimes it takes a minute, but those are nice. They seem like a pretty good quality dyed bead. Last but not least, 1 meter of 4x3 stainless steel curb chain. It says made of hypoallergenic stainless steel. They're saying the approximate retail value of this shipment is $86. That's a stretch for the products. I mean, you can make things that are retail for $86, like total together with them, but I don't know that I would pay anywhere close to $86 for any of this stuff together. But I like it as, I think it as a box for the price that we got. It was fantastic. So I liked this box. These are my favorite. I liked the pendant. I don't know where it went now. This pendant was really cute. I like the fluorite and these dragonfly charms. So I think it's a cute little box. Let me know what you thought. Again, if you want to save $2 off your first box and you're thinking about subscribing, use coupon code Turquoise, and then I have an affiliate link in the description, so it'll take you right there. Have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Once again, we're with Favorito. Hi, cutie. Hi.